Have you ever thought about train wheels and how it runs on the track? Always, it was mysterious and will be a mystery for the next generation. The wheel is one of the greatest inventions in human history that changed the world. Just think, how train wheels stay on track. What is the science behind this? The secret is the design of the wheel. See this wheel. The design of the wheel is not a cylindrical shape. The train wheels are slightly conical. And this conical design of the wheel helps to stay on track. Not only that, this shape produces a self-centering force. So that, whenever the wheels shifts right or left, it automatically aligns at the center. Let's make it simple. See, the wheels are connected by axles. And both wheels are running together at the same speed. You can see, the outer diameter of the wheel is smaller than the inner diameter. And the wheels are always trying to rotate at the same diameter. So if the wheel shifts to the right or left, it automatically aligns at the center by the self-centering force. This construction is good for straight tracks. But the problem is when it turns on the curve track. In this condition, the outer wheel has to cover more distance than the inner wheel. In this area, this conical design permits the wheel smoothly. Let's make it simple. As we know, the inside of the wheel is slightly larger in diameter than the outside of the wheel. And when the wheel runs in this curve area, the wheel shifts to the right based on Newton's law. Here, the outer wheel covers more distance because of the large diameter. That means the wheels rotate different distances per revolution. The wheel flange is specially designed for extra protection. So that, when the train goes around a corner it stays on the tracks. Friends, this is the science behind this railway wheel. If you think this video is helpful, please click the share button. Thank you. Let's grow up. Never stop learning.